Hello Stackers, Craven here. We are back again with another unboxing video. This is only a quick one, but it's quite an exciting little envelope we have right here. Let's get straight into it. Drop a comment below and see if you can guess what's in this. They've attached it to a piece of box from a crate of Budweiser, just to make sure it's been kept nice and secure. And if we turn this around, what's in there? Really nicely packed. This is creative. We don't need that anymore. Here we go. After a bit of a battle there with the packaging, you can see we picked up a 1935 Rocking Horse crown. Quick shout out to Sandy Millington, who commented on yesterday's video predicting that I would have a Rocking Horse crown. I didn't have one yesterday, but I do today. Let's open this out of the slip. So, this is in really nice nick. The King George V on the front. Really like the edges on this as well. It's got a nice thickness to it. It's my first crown, and with this being 1935, this is 50% silver in comparison to the pieces before 1920, which are the 925 silver. So there's the main design. Reminds me of course, George and the Dragon. 1935 Rocking Horse crown. So I had to get one of these, and to be honest with you, I think I'm going to pick a few more up. Really nice. Really happy with this. And we're going to add it straight to the stack. We'll see what's in here as well as a bit of an added bonus. This is from Dave Richardson. Thank you, Dave. Thank you for doing this trade. Not a problem at all, buddy. I hope that the poker chip, the sticker, and a little token I put in there as well, I hope it all gets to you safely in that nice pretty pink Jiffy bag with about 18 stamps on it. Let me know. And Dave Richardson has very kindly sent me a 1950 silver dime. That's a lovely little addition. Thank you so much, mate. I really appreciate that. Thanks again, Dave. This is going to go into the spare capsule alongside a free pence that I got from Seol4 Hordian. Thank you very much, buddy. Much appreciated. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you are new. I'll see you in the next one.